Dot&Dot Travel Bliss, ultimate 5-piece packing cubes set for stylish stress-free journeys. Embark on a journey of seamless organization and effortless elegance with our Dot&Dot Travel Bliss 5-piece packing cubes set. Designed to redefine your travel experience, these 17.5-inch by 12.75-inch by 3-inch lightweight packing cubes are the antidote to travel chaos, ensuring a stress-free adventure. Bid farewell to compressible packing bags and flimsy plastic. These durable organizers stand the test of time. Our large packing cubes not only simplify packing but elevate your style on the go. Safeguard your garments against wrinkles, stains, and dirt, presenting a polished look at every destination. Organize effortlessly by assigning each cube to family members, making it the ultimate family travel organizer. Save time with quick unpacking. Just place the cubes directly into hotel drawers and revel in the maximized luggage space. Security checks become a breeze with the transparent mesh, allowing authorities to scan your bag effortlessly. Say goodbye to unnecessary embarrassment at checkpoints. Dot&Dot's packing cube set isn't just about style, it's a strategic solution to avoid excess baggage fees. Efficiently distribute weights within your luggage and travel with ease, all thanks to our thoughtfully crafted travel organizers. Born from our family's wanderlust, Dot&Dot is more than a brand, it's a testament to passion and innovation. Our travel cubes boast breathable mesh for quick content scans, full-length zippers for easy access, sturdy grab handles, and water-resistant fabric for wet clothes. Join us in the chapters of travel, where every Dot&Dot product mirrors our profound love for exploration. Let your journey be as stylish and organized as your destination.